I'm back because I just went to the mailbox and there were 2 boxes in my mailbox and I'm so excited about that. I got my Target box and my BoxyCharm box. I will be doing a full unboxing with BoxyCharm and a try-on video about the Target box. So this is a box that cost me $7, like $7.50 or something. It is not a subscription base, so you don't get it every single month. You don't sign up for a continuous subscription. You go on when the boxes are available and you pick it, and it tells you exactly what's in it. And it's nice because for $7.50 you get quite a few products to try. So maybe you're not fully ready to commit to a full-on makeup box like BoxyCharm, or maybe you don't want to make a commitment like FabFitFun. Maybe you just want a taste of what getting a subscription box is like, and I think the Target box is perfect for that. Oh, this is what it looks like. Target Beauty. You open it up and it says, cute little card. It says, hello, fresh face. And then on the back it's got $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. And then it talks about everything that's in the box. So the packaging is actually pretty nice, especially for a box that costs $7. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is Hydro Boost. It's a Neutrogena mascara. It claims to be plumping mascara that's waterproof, which is nice because I don't have any waterproof mascaras, and we know you need this for the pool or if you're going to a sad event or something. Next we have Good Chemistry Queen Bee. It is a perfume. So perfume with essential oils, black curant, peony, and amber. Should be interesting. Peony is my favorite flower, the way it looks at least. I don't know about the smell. Oh. It kind of smells like Clinique Cappy. Yeah, if I could describe it in one thing, it would be Clinique Cappy. Next we have Colgate Optic White. It's like a little bit bigger than a travel size. We have a premium cotton round to try. These will be good to take off your makeup with. The micellar water. I use this religiously to take off my makeup. It is amazing. It is so good to take your makeup off with. We got a Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Little travel size. It's a pretty mauve color. And then we got a pair of Allure eyelashes. So this will be fun. These aren't like super dramatic. So I'm excited to try that. So there's your little preview of a Target box. I hope you enjoy.